Okay guys, so my tower garden's all ready. I just want to get in close and show you some stuff. I cleaned it all, got all brand new plants. Right there I have, that's going to be Roma tomatoes. These three, 1, 2, 3, are going to be romaine lettuce. I've got 2 more romaine lettuce. I got another one over there, right here, and another one right there, romaine lettuce. Why romaine lettuce? Because the E. coli breakout that's been going crazy, I can't buy romaine at the store right now, and that's all I eat is romaine lettuce for my salads. It's May 9th, so I want to document how fast this is growing throughout the year. I'll be giving you updates, but right now I've got to feed these plants. And the food looks like this. Probably a year's worth of food is maybe $45. But this is 1A and then B. There's A and B. You fill this little cup up. You get these big gallon jugs of A and B food. It's safe. You were to accidentally get that in your mouth, you'll be fine. It's all safe ingredients. And you can research Tower Garden food online elsewhere. But for right now, I got to get this in because my plants are starving. Place the lid right on top there. Oops. Place the lid right on top. Your Tower Garden lid. The thing pops right open. Easy to feed. All right, let's plug it in. Okay, plugged it in. That regulates the food being pumped. So the food's in there, and every once a week, depends how hot it is, you'll check the water levels. Just make sure the water's above the pump. And every other week, you can put a little bit more food in. You'll know, when you fill water, you fill food. And that's it, guys. That is it. Okay, guys, wow, it's really bright out here. Look at this. It's been 2 weeks. So I just put in some new tomato plants that I got a few days ago. But that's the first tomato plant that went in 2 weeks ago. And it's already going to need to be tied up a little bit and get it going out through here. I'll tie it up to the perimeter here. And look at the lettuce. Look at this. That's my romaine lettuce. I got it all the way around. You can see it's getting really big. Show how big the basil leaf is. So that's my finger right there. Right? Getting pretty long. I could use a piece of those, a few leaves of those right now in the sauce. Here's another update. It is the first day of June. Look at this thing going crazy. I'm about ready to start cutting some leaves and making some salad. Look, I got all my celery growing up. Look at the basil. Boom, it's ready. Cilantro, love you. Can use the cilantro now. It's been not even a full month, guys. Look at this. Well, there you go, guys. That's this year's Tower Garden. I should have celery in the next week or so. It grows so fast. Look at the garlic chives in here. Look at that. Look at how big they are. I can cut those and put those on a salad in a dish. Garlic chives taste like garlic. So that's it, guys. There it is. From beginning to end in under 4 weeks.